Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create and start a mind map in your boards and diagrams on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to Whimsical, access your workspace unit top left corner, then navigate to the diagram mode here inside your board and choose the mind map tool here. You may also use the shortcut M for that, and place the first part or the core of your mind map. Give it a title, like Thought 1 or Idea 1. So to expand the mind map, you may, for example, change from vertical to horizontal connections here, and then click into these thoughts to expand them, and I don't know, Idea 2, and then next, click into the next one, Idea 3, and you will see your mind map slowly taking shape. Sub idea 1 and so on and so forth, and you can do the same here to the right, and that way expand your mind map. And that's basically, guys, how you do it. You can also switch from curvy connectors to angular. I prefer those here, and collapse it if you, for example, don't want it to take up space, and expand it if you want to access it back again. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.